Hey, this is Frank Schweitzer. I'm out here with veterans in politics at the protest at Family Court. I got a couple of gentlemen here who have had issues here. Sir, can you tell us who you are and a little bit about your case and what you're looking to change?
Kenneth Taylor, and I lost my 7-year-old daughter to the system.
Okay, and what did you see in there while you were in there? The corruption and things that affected the system?
Yes, they did me wrong. They were against me from the get-go. They wouldn't come to my house to check my living condition. Wouldn't do anything to help me out. The DA was against me. The whole thing was just, I went through 3 years of it, showing up, doing my part, and I lost my daughter, lost her totally. I don't have any rights. I retained an attorney. She was against me. It was bad. I'm telling you, I wouldn't be here fighting like this if it wasn't worth it.
Okay, and how do you hope that this story can get out there and maybe stop this from affecting another family?
That it gets heard, it gets out to the public, that people actually look into it, really look into it if they get a moment and see what's going on in the system, because it's broken and, like I said, it's painful.
Yes, sir. Your name, sir?
Ashley Hall.
Ashley Hall, what are you doing out here today, sir, and what was your case like?
My case, I'm out here protesting the family courts over child custody. I had 4 children, 4 boys that I was raising during the divorce, prior to the divorce proceedings. My judge, Judge Hughes, was 100% against me right from the start. She just found in favor of the favorite attorney that was being represented, that was representing my opposing party, and I was just found guilty on absolutely every charge that was accused against me falsely.
Was there any evidence to support these claims?
Absolutely no evidence in a criminal nature to support anything.
So she more or less ruled in favor of an attorney she knew over the evidence that she was presiding at the time?
The specifics of it were that she turned my civil case into a criminal case where she brought charges and the opposing attorney brought charges against me and then made me testify against myself that I was guilty of certain crimes that she deemed fit to put me in jail and fine me and take away all custody of my children.
Okay, and how would you hope that your story gets out there so that it does not affect another family in the negative way it's impacted you?
Well, we have rights as citizens, and those rights are basic. We have the right to not accuse ourselves in court. That's a 5th Amendment. We have the right to a trial by a jury. That's our 6th Amendment. Those are 2 biggies right there that my judge violated, and she violated her oath of office, and she needs to be removed.
Doesn't sound like you're the first litigant to say that to us. Sounds like there's a pattern up here, maybe.
Absolutely, and she's not the only. Rainey Hughes is not the only judge that engages in this behavior.
Okay, sir. Well, thank you for your time. Let's get this story out there, and you guys have a safe, peaceful protest.
All right, thank you.